Hi guys, today I'm going to be making my first ever crochet sweater, and it's literally right there because I forgot to record the intro. But yeah, I hope that this goes well for the remainder of the sweater making. I only started off with 3 skeins of yarn, and this was about a month or two ago, but now it's actually getting a little bit closer to springtime, so I don't even know if I'll be able to wear it this year. But regardless, this is a really fun experience because I've never made a sweater before. So initially I had a few sweater design ideas in mind, but I knew I needed the yarn to stretch out, so I decided to do something that implemented all 3 colors onto both of the panels that I was going to be creating. Here is the progress. Let's just talk about it. Like, it feels good. I think it looks good. I'm not really too much of a fan of purple though, but I kind of had to make it like this because I didn't want to run out of yarn. But most likely I'm gonna have to go back to the store to get something. But all the stuff that I do need to like weave in is on this side, but it's honestly not much. And there's like a little factory knot on the back, and yeah. But anyway, this is the first panel. So I was watching a video about how like all sweaters are in 4 panels. That should be common sense to me, but yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue to go up the same amount for that I went for these and see how I'm liking it, because like I said, first time doing this, don't have any exact measurements, kind of just working, figuring things out as we go. Okay, now we're getting into a little bit of measurements because I'm building up the, what do you call that? The shoulder part. So I marked where the sleeve should stop. I was working on this like all day, so I was finally on the other side till I ran out of yarn. Yeah, here's like, I don't know, maybe a month later, and I finally got some sleeves on it. It's pretty hard to see what's going on since it's like such a big piece. But yeah, I just turned it inside out so that I could measure the straps and make sure that they seem to be about the same size before I sewed them together. And since purple was my most used amount of yarn for this project, even though I said I didn't like purple at the beginning of the video, I needed one more skein of purple yarn to finish off this strap. Yeah, here's how it's looking on so far. I still needed to sew the sides together, but the straps were fully together. And the last little part will be the ribbing on the edge and the sleeve cuffs. Yeah, I ended up doing that off camera, but that's all the updates I have for this sweater for you guys today. Make sure you subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on part 2. See the final big reveal. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.